Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to run RBGM code. The RBGM is used to observe how connections in the brain graph change over the time, starting from an initial time point. We used Conda as a packet manager. I will show how to install and set up Conda environment. We mainly use PyTorch and PyTorch geometric in our project. I will show how to install required packages. Finally, I will show how to run our RBGM. In this step, you will download the Anaconda from the following website. Download the latest Python 3 version for your system. For example, in our project, I have downloaded Python 3.8 version for 64-bit Windows. Then you can create an Anaconda environment by typing following command. Use following command to activate your environment. Then use pip to install NumPy, matplotlib, and scikit-learn. To install PyTorch, installation command can change depending on your system. Please refer to the PyTorch org. Then install PyTorch geometric. Installation command might change depending on your system. Please read the PyTorch geometric documentation. Then go to the following GitHub link and download our RBGM code. Our framework can observe changes in brain graph connections. Brain graphs are represented by symmetric squared matrix with diagonal is 0. During the training, if you want to predict the brain graph at T1 and T2, our model needs all three brain graphs. During the prediction, you only need to provide a baseline graph. Now, I will show how to run RBGM code. First, activate the RBGM environment. Then, go to the data folder and run create_data.py file. It generates the sample data. Then, go to the code folder and run main.py file. You can specify the command line arguments. For example, here I select the number of epochs as a 200. Then, our code displays the L1 loss, topological loss, and total loss for both time point T1 and T2 in each epoch. For more details, please visit our website, YouTube channel, or GitHub repository.